we have to make our own audio, or do we have to just like read?
Oh yeah,
so I was like,
not making my own.
Imagine Devin 1% better each day.
Fucking corn salad, bro. I can't get corny like that, bro. I just can't get. I just don't have that
either. I should, as soon as I read it, I started thinking, I was like, fuck, I gotta go. Chat GPT, give me a motivational script for a YouTube reel.
It'll be the first time I use fucking AI to fucking copy my voice.
Imagine Devin trying to be like super serious, like a motivational voiceover.
So fucking corny.
You got motivational one time. Your first video on YouTube.
Which is that you sitting in the kitchen?
No. Yo, I don't know what you guys are fucking talking about.
You know, everyone these days judges the monkey on how well it swims in the water. It doesn't judge it on how well it swings through the vines and climbs through the trees. Okay, guys?
This lady, the other day, like that first video I posted, this lady was like punching the air in the background. Like I was talking and Elle was filming me, and you could just see her in the background going like this.
That one?
No, not her, just like other random. Like, you definitely know her if I point her out. And she was like, you guys gotta learn to film away from doorways. And we're like, what? She's like, I don't want to be in your video. Like, you're not even in it, like you're blurred out in the background.
I'm not gonna go heavier than that.
What is that, 60?
Yeah.
Ray just did the hardest set of his life. I haven't done a set like that in a while.
Brandon looked like he just fucked for 5 hours straight.
Literally, my arms are just like.
I'm down to do we can do like a single arm tricep single.
All those what's that? Oh shit! Oh god!
Man, that's messed up.
Do I start eating more food to try to maintain more fullness and size, but I'm gonna get a little softer? Or do I keep the diet the same and stay slightly harder, but like I'm getting flatter?
When you reach that mentality, that's how it's going downhill.
Yeah, I know.
I would just get soft. Like I'm about to get so fat.
What happened?
Bro, this machine sucks. This exercise is not my like, I look so skinny. This is not like
I'd never do these. This is the drug dealer fit. 10 out of 10 comfiness. Look at this.
Devin gained so much weight. He looks like smaller and fatter at the same time. Holy shit.
So that was it. That was arm day.
Alright, let's go drink a bunch of vodka and smoke cigarettes till it gets sore.
That is post-workout ritual. Arm day is done though. It was okay. I think we burnt ourselves out a little too early, and for that reason, it was a good workout. It was short-lived. I think we only did like 4 or 5 exercises, lots of volume. But still, that's it. We're gonna go eat, skadoodle, and yeah, that's it.
So we just went to the grocery store. We got what is this? A carrot loaf cake. We got some steak, some potatoes. We got some limoncello because we're feeling super alpha today. This is what alpha men drink, clearly. A little bit of vodachka for the people.
Look at these big old juicy steaks. Some potatoes. How long do you keep it on there if you medium rare? Like 3 minutes?
I do. I don't know. I kind of just close mine and just like fuck off. I'm an instinct guy.
When my gut tells me they're ready, we'll know.
How much was yours?
Mine was like $13 each.
Yeah, yours looks kind of fucking thin.
Yours look like shit.
Yeah. I think mine looks the best.
I think yours does look the best.
Mine's gonna be the best.
This is also a ribeye though, so what the fuck is, what's the difference
Dude, you got
between
the
this and
fucking...
that? That's just a sirloin steak. I'm a little disappointed. Look at, zoom in on that, look at. Another 2 minutes. What are we thinking? Oh, that's
wait,
good.
That's good.
That's good.
That's actually perfect.
This is my swimming. Let's see how fast you can swim from there to there. You're a fucking horrible swimmer. Limoncello.
I ordered a little of what burger.
Yeah,
The Rosie House.
Limonade.
What?
San Benedetto.
How does this feels like my fucking day started. No, I feel like it's midnight. Like I'm almost ready for bed.
Wait, let's just see what's in there. Let's just see what's in there.
Dude, they're shakes. Blizzies!
No one ordered Dairy Queen?
Nobody ordered Dairy Queen.
I would just maybe get the 2 cookies just.
I did.
Okay.
No, that looks like Rolo.
That's definitely a
Oh,
chocolate.
that's a brownie extreme. Back, but they won't get there.
Dude, this shit would slap too. Like, you order this to your house right now, like, watching a movie, it would hit so hard. They just didn't get it.
They've probably been craving it for like 3 days.
What do I say?
Oh my god, I want to crawl in a hole and die.
You're being smart, dude. This is not her karma, dude. We're looking out for that guy.
Did she leave already?
What?
No, she's still there.
What is your logic?
Listen to this. Listen to this logic. It came to our house because she wants to have the ice cream.
Yeah, but it's on
after we touched it and give it to the person still. We could have put drugs in there. You know what I mean? We opened it today.
He brought it to the wrong house, so even if it came to our house, like
can't bring it.
you can't even give it to them anyway. You can't just spit in it and like give it.
The rule is it has to go from restaurant to home, not restaurant home.
Yeah, like if you ordered Uber Eats, would you want your food if it went to someone else's house and then from their house back to the Uber Eats driver, then back to you? I wouldn't want it. Do you have ice cream in the house? Let's fill it up with other fucking ice cream.
I feel bad if it's actually her first day. But I don't think it's actually her first day.
Door's open.
It's open.
The experience I had back in college. So, let's get to it. One, two, three, four. Give me back my fucking blizzards! I want them back now! You're a fucking cunt, I know you have them. If you show me, give them back now. I dropped off the blizzards, and you never gave it back to me. Please, it was just a brownie extreme and a cookie dough. Oh, where they go. I'm sorry, it's my first day. I'm new to this, but please just give them back, or maybe give me $40. I need my blizzard.